All right, there is a lot to unpack here. So, just finished watching the Galaxy showcase for the new Galaxy Watch Series 8, and I love it. I really like the classic look. I think I might end up getting that one. I'm keeping my Ultra. I'm really huge on the ecosystem. I've got the Buds, the S24. Haven't upgraded to 25 because it's a little pricey, but I am looking forward to doing that eventually. Maybe the S26 when it comes out. But I'm really a big fan of the ecosystem. What they're doing with this new watch, the kind of antioxidant levels, including AI or Gemini into it, and just kind of sort of things like that. It's something to look forward to. It's a little bit exciting, especially being able to track what you eat as far as how it reads in your skin or in your blood, which is pretty cool. I think Apple needs to step it up for sure, 100%, because I used to be a huge Apple, user. I had the MacBook Pros, I had the iPad Pros, I had the pens, I had the Ultra watches, I had the headphones, I had everything basically, the entire Apple ecosystem. And eventually, I just felt like there wasn't enough innovation, and I honestly have not been this excited for an accessory in a very long time. So I know I had the Ultra watch, so switching over to the Samsung watch was just kind of something I had to do if I'm getting a Samsung phone, which I don't regret. Honestly, I don't regret it at all doing the switch over. I like, the customization that comes with the watch, and looking forward to the Series 8. Oh my gosh. There's different price points too, so it's not super expensive either. I think the base one goes for like 300 something. Then you go into 400 for the classic, which is the one I like. I really like that look. It gives you kind of an ultra look, but it's not really an ultra. And it's not as pricey as an ultra. I'm keeping my ultra, but I might get one of the classics. And eventually, I am looking forward to doing the ring, but I don't think at this time it's something I want to get. Maybe when they come out, like next version. But I'm really looking forward to what Samsung can offer. I'm hoping that they continue this innovation with their phones, with the watches, with everything. That way, it kind of stimulates the market for accessories and phones and things like that, because I feel like it's been really stagnant between Samsung and iPhone. Samsung, of course, has the flip phones and the fold phones and things like that, but Apple, I'm hoping they come out with something, honestly, because I really like the way the phones look, but it just it feels like it's the same thing every year. This isn't an Apple rant, but I wanted to go ahead and just kind of get on here. I'm super excited. I think they released July 25th is what they said for the Series 8 watches, the full lineup. So I am super excited. I'm thinking maybe like a white band is what I'm gonna get. If not, on top of that, get the blue band that is for the Ultra, because they came out with a blue version now. So I really want to get that. So I'm super excited, kind of looking forward to it. Let me know your thoughts down below. I'm going to go ahead and post this here shortly.